It's heavily cambered, it spat him out, and he basically just carried too much speed into it. It spat him out, he's off the line, dropped the rear left off the road, and it's just turned it around.
Oh, that's the damage.
Big impact. I suspect that car's potentially got cooling package damage, and that's why it's gone into safety mode. So look at this. I think he's probably damaged the radiator there.
A sort of big front-on impact like that is going to do, there's so much sensitive equipment.
It's at the final hour.